Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, क्या चु 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 कर रहे हो भाई? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, if you are new to my channel, my name is Mehak Khimka, and as you can see, I am all dressed up, and the background so you can just recognize कि आज क्या है. So today is my birthday, and I just wanted to release this video today cause as वैसे भी मैं Friday को वीडियो रिलीज करती हूँ and मेरे बर्थडे के दिन ही Friday आ गया. सो आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड कि मैं ये वीडियो आज डाल दूँ, तो मैंने फटाफट रात को शूट करके मतलब सुबह एडिट करके फटाफट अभी डाल रही हूँ. सो मेक श्योर यू वॉच टिल द एंड. And also I just love to click pictures. Like if you have been following me on YouTube or maybe Instagram, you know how much I love to click pictures, and I am always confused ki what background should I use, what pose should I do, and or outfits and all of that stuff. So that's the reason I'm creating this video. Like if you have been following me on YouTube, so you must be knowing like I have made this photoshoot ideas wala video 2-3 बार. So yeah, this video is all about that. Like this video is about birthday photoshoot idea. So watch this video till the end and get to know some amazing poses for your birthday photoshoot. And yeah, you can add little bit of spark in your photoshoot by just creating one of this photo or all photos. And yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button cause today is my birthday, so itna to gift de hi sakte ho. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and watch till the end. Now without wasting more time, let's get into the video.
So for the first pose I took this balloon stand and added few balloons on that, as you can see, and got this champagne balloon. Also left balloons on the floor with different colors, like you can see the balloons are of different colors. And also I made this bunch of balloon by adding confetti balloon and this foil star, and I took this to hold this in my hand as a prop for the picture. Now hold this bunch of balloon and start posing. Look at the camera or maybe balloon and smile, or maybe you can pout or any expression what you want you can give, and I am so happy with the outcome. For the next pose I added this 21 number golden balloon and simply kept my champagne balloon and balloon stand on the side. I took this glass and wine bottle in my hand for posing as a prop, and now just pretend that you are drinking and pose like that. This is so simple and you don't need to make any expressions, so even an introvert person can try this pose. For the next pose I am posing with this cupcakes. I made this customized cupcakes of different media platforms. Personally YouTube is my favorite क्योंकि ये video YouTube के लिए है, हाँ lol. So I am using this bunch of balloons again as a prop and simply posing, as you can see, and yeah, the pictures turned out really very amazing. For the next pose I again took this bunch of balloon and a bottle of wine. I am just trying to use the props that I have and mismatch and create new pose. So yeah, I am using the same prop, and I started posing by looking at the wine bottle and maybe at the camera and with a smile on my face. That really added a spark to my photos, and yeah, as you can see the results are very good. For the next pose I am showing you little bit of my decoration, and yeah, I am posing with my cake, cupcakes and wine bottle. And for more decoration and clear cake pictures and all of that stuff, you need to watch my birthday vlog that will be out soon, maybe next week tak. So yeah, make sure you watch that. And yeah, for this pose I am normally just looking at the camera or maybe at the cake, and yeah, this pose is very simple and easy, so yeah, you can try this. For the next pose you need this glitter or chamki, whatever you say, you need that. And yeah, I got this much of glitter, And for that you need one more person, the person who is clicking pictures, and one more person who is just spreading this jhirmir or maybe what glitter, whatever you say, onto your pictures, like onto your face. And yeah, you need to click pictures. This is really very hard, like it took me more than 15 to 20 minutes to click a single picture of this, and still I am not satisfied with it. And yeah, picture is really good, but yeah, output is okay. So if you try this and your results really come amazing, please tag me and let me know. I would love to watch your picture. So for the next pose, I am taking this 21 number foil balloon cause I turned 21. So yeah, I'm taking that and just hanging that in 2 sticks, like those balloon stand stick, so it can be stable. And I kept this cupcake on the cake stand for pictures, and simply posing, just looking at the cake, camera or anything, as whatever you would like to pose, you can go ahead. And yeah, the pictures are really very amazing. Now coming to the last pose, which is super amazing and my personal favorite, and I just love this pose. Simply I'm just holding this balloon bunch and kept my cake beside me onto the floor, and yeah, I'm just posing at looking at my cake on camera. And yeah, the pictures turned out really very good and I really love this pose. So yeah, you can even try this.
So that was it from my today's video, and make sure you hit the like button, comment down below and let me know which was your favorite pose. And you can see all the pictures on my Instagram, like Vibe with Mehak is my Insta handle. So you can check there all my pictures, and make sure you share this video with your friends whoever birthday is coming, and subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and see you in next video. Bye.